Guys, today we're going to take a tour of the Reptile Zoo in Monroe, Washington. How do we do this? So, we going left or right?
It's up to you.
Let's see. Alright, so we got beach snakes. Life and cold. I wonder if we should go see where there's probably. Are you recording me right now? That's fine. Let's just go with it.
Like a vlog, yeah.
I think we just go with it and then entrance is venomous over here, spitting. Let's see it. What is this? This is so cool. Oh, okay. We can't show this yet. Don't show that one yet. Oh well. There's a viewing panel over there, but I guess you can see what it is right there, right? But don't show it.
Yeah, that one's show it.
Okay. And as you guys can see, they have tents everywhere here, so there's a lot of selections to look from. So, like I said, we're gonna try to highlight the main ones, but there's a lot to look at right here at this Reptile Zoo in Monroe, Washington. Ready? Go! So right here, guys, we got the dwarf Burmese python. They're a pretty rare species of python from Indonesia. All right, guys, right here we got some radiated tortoises. This is a cool species of tortoise. Their shells are really unusual compared to like a Dabra or a Galapagos tortoise. You can see right here on the top of the shell on how it looks. It's all like bumpy and stuff like that. Gecko. A lot of you guys probably have this as pets. I'm sorry.
Go.
Alright guys, right here we got the Leachianus gecko. This is the new, let's start again.
Go.
Alright guys, right here we got the Leachianus gecko. This is the largest gecko of New Caledonia. And I bet you guys, a lot of you guys have this as a pet. Yeah, this guy, I never really seen an adult one in person. I saw a lot of babies at the expos and stuff. But this adult one is amazing. I'm not sure the locale on this one, but yeah. And as you guys can see, they have a good selection of venomous here too. So if you guys are into the hots, they got the black forest cobra right here. We can't really see the head, or they're not putting up for us, of course. But they also got venomous snakes here. And right above that, we got a monkey tail skink. There's a couple in this, which are one of my favorite skinks. But they are a little bit aggressive, not aggressive, I would say, but defensive lizards to have. And that's pretty cool to see them here too. Alright guys, right here we got the Mexican beaded lizard, and this is one of the largest venomous lizards in the world. See this alligator snapping turtle, how big it is?
Yeah.
It doesn't say the age on here. I wonder how old this is. I mean, this guy's could be up to 100 years old. Who knows? Wow. It's big. Look at the head is. Wow. It's big. So right here, guys, we got the puff adder from Africa. It's another venomous snake that they have. You have the timber rattlesnake here too. Look how nice this guy is. You see the pattern on these guys are pretty cool. They got a boa that's hiding inside here. But come right here. I want to see you guys. I want to show you guys this snake. This is the King Cobra. Look at the eyes on that King Cobra. Wow. So that is the longest species of venomous snake in the world. I believe the gaboon is fatter. I gotta fact check that one, but I know that is the longest species of venomous snake in the world. Indian star, that's what that is. Right here, guys. guys, they got Nile crocodiles. I think they got a few of them in here. I'm pretty sure this is a temporary enclosure, but that's amazing that they have this species of crocodile. It's one of my favorite species of crocodile in the world. And they're one of the largest, with the saltwater crocodiles being one of them. They got them right over here in this corner. And they got all kinds of cool animals here. Like I said, I don't want to show you guys everything here, because then you guys have to come here yourself in Washington to come visit this place. And right here, guys, we got a western diamondback rattlesnake. That's also another species of venomous snake that they got here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys something cool next. Right here, we got the American alligator, and this guy is huge. I'm talking about huge. It's not gonna come on camera how big he is. He's gigantic in person. And he seems like he's the same age as me, so he's born 1991, so that makes him 32 this year. So he's old. I'm guessing he's a male because of the size of him. Wow, he's big. I don't know if you guys can see how big this American alligator is. It's gigantic. Huge. But there's something else I want to show you guys, which is right behind us. I think I saw one of these when I was a kid. There is one local to San Francisco at the Stackhart Aquarium. So let me show you guys this other alligator that we have here. And right here, guys, is an albino alligator. Like I showed you guys the regular alligator how it looks. You can tell the color of this guy is really white. Wow. Look at this right here, guys. So this is something I have at home too. This is the pixie frog, the African bullfrog. You can see how big they are. Look at the size of my hand. They say, I think this one is a full-grown one because it is like a size of a plate. But these guys are giant, and they have two of them together. I'm not sure if that's a female or not, but they both look like males, I would say. Yeah, these guys are very impressive. And then right here, we got the rhino iguana, which a lot of you probably have as a pet also. And that's a big, I would say male probably. And they have the dwarf caiman up here in this enclosure, which is, I'll show you guys some shots of that in a little bit. And then right here, we got the Asian water monitor, which is honestly my favorite species of monitor, the Varana Salvatore. So yeah. That guy is very big, but I don't think we're gonna be able to record him too much because he is kind of hiding. But we'll see if it says they have another one on the other side. Let's see if they do, and we'll get back to you guys on that one. So right here, guys, we got the Eastern Indigo snake. They do have the black phase and the red phase. It looks like this one is the black phase. That's my favorite phase, of course, of the Eastern Indigo snakes, the dry marcon species. And right here, guys, we got an Egyptian cobra. I've never seen a cobra this size. This is a very big Egyptian cobra. Wow. And look right on top of here. I don't know if this is the New Guinea species or if this is Australian, but the size of it looks like the Australian, but it could be the New Guinea. So in the comments below, guys, tell me if that's the New Guinea, because right here it shows New Guinea and Northern. It doesn't say which one it is, but I think that's New Guinea. So I'll show you guys a clip of it. And you guys let me know if that's a New Guinea or if that's the Australian. A few species, few favorite species of venomous snake, and right here is one of them. And this guy's gigantic, guys. I'm talking about this is a giant gaboon viper, and this is one of the largest venomous species in Africa, but also in the world. Look how thick this guy is. This guy is gigantic, guys. It's insane. It's big. If you guys know me, you guys know I have my Varana Salvatore, the Asian water monitor, mango at my house, and that's how big they can get. That's probably my favorite lizard here.
What the dog doing?
That is my favorite lizard here. Right here, guys, we got the Giant Green Anaconda, the heaviest bodied snake in the world from South America. And this thing is giant, guys. This thing is big. And as you guys know, Ivy, I have a set of Ivy at home. But right here, guys, is a green anaconda, a true giant. Wow, this is big. right here, guys, is a black throat monitor. This is the largest lizard species in Africa. And I think it is third, I believe, largest in the world. First is gonna be Komodo dragon. Second is the water monitor I just showed you guys. And then that's gonna be the next right there in line, guys. And their face looks really like a dinosaur if you look at their face up close. That guy's big.
Good job hitting in the face.
Wow. And you can tell these enclosures are very big, guys. You want to zoom out and show them the enclosure? These enclosures are big. It goes all the way over there, guys. So right here, guys, is the reticulated python. It seems like they're doing something with the maintenance or something in the kennel. So there's another one there. I can see it looks like a lavender albino, but this is the longest snake in the world. So the green anaconda is gonna be the heaviest snake in the world. These guys can get the longest. And they got some impressive size ones over here. So right here, guys, is another retic. This is a tiger morph. This guy's big in himself. I don't know if you can get a shot of that lavender albino back there. I think it's a purple, I believe. But yeah, hopefully we get a close-up of both of these guys. But this tiger is a big one. This is probably at least a 14-foot to 15-foot snake. Right here, guys, probably the most rarest snake that they have here. They come from Africa is the ball python guy. I'm just kidding. They're not the most rarest, but it's one of my favorite, I guess you would say, because everyone tends to breed them. Gets all the different colors and stuff. But yeah, I guess they have one here. There's a rescue. So they also do rescues here also. Pretty cool. Man, they got a lot here. There's a lot to show. I can't show you guys everything, like I said. So you guys got to come here yourself and check out everything yourself. And then right here, guys, they got the giant sulcata tortoises. So the little tortoises you guys get as pets, and you guys think that they're gonna grow into something small or whatever. Look how big they get. I don't know if you can compare my hand to the size of these guys. They get gigantic and they break through everything. So if you guys try to keep them in tank enclosures and stuff like that, they'll break out of those in no time. These guys need a tough enclosure. Right here, guys, they got one of my favorite monitor species also, a dwarf species, the Aki monitors. I think this is the yellow variety. I'm not sure if it's the red or yellow, but it looks yellow to me. But man, that's cool that they have that here. They have everything here. Everywhere you look, you see a new species and species that are dream animals and all that. So it's pretty cool here, guys. As you can see, there's still a lot to go. We're not even probably halfway done now. But yeah, so we're gonna highlight a few still in this area. But like right here, you got the blue-tongued skink, guys. This is probably another pet of many people that they have. And then you also got your Dumeros boa from Madagascar. These guys are one of my dream boas to have. And they have the Taiwanese beauty snakes here too. Yeah, look how nice these enclosures are too. These are all vision cages. Beautiful. I'm excited, man. Brazilian rainbow boas. A children python. I got everything here. Oh, come here. Right here, so we showed you guys the green anaconda on the other side over there. And then coming close right here, you can see the yellow anaconda here, guys. So that's another species of anaconda. And they do cross the two together. Wow, and they also got another spitting cobra underneath there. You got venomous everywhere here, guys. Alright guys, we're here with Isaac from the Reptile Zoo. If you want to tell me a little bit about what you guys do here, what you guys got going on.
Yeah, so most people like animals and like to share what we like with other people. That's about it. So a bunch of reptiles, alligators, snakes.
Yeah, I saw what you guys had. You guys had albino alligator over there. I told them I wasn't showing everything because they had to come here themselves. But yeah, so you guys do rescues here too?
Yeah, but half the animals just people, it doesn't mean they're in bad situations.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just need a home and first stuff coming here. So, yeah.
Well, I appreciate it. Sorry for taking too much of your time. The yellow foots.
Yeah, half the still guys are outside.
Oh,
the
this is
rest
the one
of
that's-
the outside, yeah.
That's nice, man. Wow.
Yeah, so you just go right over there.
Well, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I try to show you guys as much as possible. Like I said, I wish we had a little bit more time to tour with somebody that works here, but we got a little bit. So, but yeah, guys, I highly recommend this spot. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few more animals, and then yeah, guys, let's go. Come here, guys. I want to show you guys something. Oh, they stopped it.
What is that?
The other tortoise is messing it up. He messed it up for him. I'll try to show you guys something, but looks like the other tortoises get in between it.
Get away from me!
Here, guys, I'm gonna show you guys something cool. What these sulcata tortoises are doing. I believe these are two males that are battling right now.
Final round. Fight.
If you could see the spurs in the front of these guys, this bigger male over here, I believe this one's a male, but it could be a female, but it could be a small male. The spurs could actually stab the other male and actually kill him. So it's very dangerous if you put him in the corner. If he corners him, you could stab him with the spurs that are coming out of his neck right there. But yeah, you can tell how big these guys get. And a lot of these people get them as small tortoises as pets, but they don't realize how big these guys get and how big of a property they need to roam around. You got a giant Komodo dragon here too, guys. Largest lizard in the world. And right here, guys, you got the Morlins crocodile. And this crocodile, I think, is native from Mexico area or New Mexico, in that area, I believe. Alright guys, so right here we also got the green tree pythons. And we got two of them here, and they look like two different locales. You can see the color on that one. That's possibly a sarong, maybe something different. You guys let me know what that is. And then right here, we got this one. But also on the other side over here, guys, the Amazon trees over here. And it's over there in the back. Wow, look at a little bit of everything. You get this. Right here is the King Cobra, but look, it's the albino morph. So that's, look at the colors in that one. And these guys are one of the most venomous snakes in the world. And right here, look at this Eastern Diamondback looking at us. Look how big these guys get, gigantic. Look at the size of that head. Wow. You get fat. So these guys and the gaboon and the King Cobra, one of my favorite venomous species. What's your guys' favorite venomous species? Put it down in the comments below. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the Reptile Zoo down here in Monroe, Washington. I was gonna say California, but Monroe, Washington, guys. I highly recommend this place. If you're a reptile geek, or you want to come down here with your family, I highly recommend. They got a variety of animals here. Like I said, I didn't show everything, so you guys have to come down here yourself and check it out and see what else they have. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next episode, but also make sure you guys comment down below if you guys are subscribed and turn the bell notification on. Alright, thank you guys.